Have you heard about Steam Family? The newer and cleaner way to share games on Steam without handing over your login details. It replaced the old family sharing system and makes things way simpler. Because to set it up, you just open Steam, go to settings, click family, create a Steam family, and invite up to 5 other Steam accounts you trust. Then, once they accept, they'll instantly see your shared games in their own libraries and can download and play them on their own accounts, earn their own achievements, and keep their own saves. With the only real limitation being that some games aren't shareable and certain titles cannot be played by one person at a time. But overall, Steam Family makes sharing safer, easier, and way more convenient than it used to be. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more useful content.